Joe Banuelos, Precision Calibration Repair, and this is your Mad Metrology. Hey, we're going to talk about who are we. A lot of you know who we are. We've been around since the 80s. We calibrate, mainly dimensional, mechanical as well. We do a lot of repairs on whether it be indicators, calipers, OD mics. I've got some tools here, thickness gauge, bore gauges, UT thickness. We repair. In fact, we repair a lot that a bunch of shops will not do. So before you throw those tools out, give us a call. Let me take a look at that. We'll see if we can get that repaired for you. If need be, we can sell you a new gauge. We sell Minotaur, Starrett, Brown and Sharp, Fowler, Phase 2. So gauges and precision tools, we got you covered on all that end. And before I leave, I'm going to give you the joke of the day. What does one ocean say to the other ocean? Nothing. They just wave at each other. Hey, we'll talk soon.